Another beautiful question. What happens if someone does not make up their previous fard siyam before the coming Ramadan starts? If you could not make it and next Ramadan has started, the recommendation, there's many other recommendations depending on your health. Remember, it all depends on the person. If let's say your health, let's say you are in such health situation, let's say you have diabetes and you cannot do longer days of fasting, even this Ramadan, it's okay, wait for the shorter days and make up for this Ramadan also, make it every other day, you don't have to do it together, and you can make up for the remaining of the last year also, okay? But let's say you are able, you still couldn't do it, it's a problem. Make special tawbah that Allah, it was my laziness, forgive me for that. Make a lot of istighfar that, it was qard, it was a debt on me. And debt toward Allah, fasting belongs to Allah. It's not for anybody else. Subhanallah. So what you do, because Ramadan has started now this prayer is important. Take an example. You come to Fajr Salah and the whole masjid is praying Fajr. You're like, oh no, I just remember I didn't do Isha. Okay guys, you keep praying Fajr. Imagine I am the one. And I'm saying, okay brothers, you do your Fajr, I'm going to go in that corner, I'll do my Isha. Does it make sense? Doesn't make sense. So now, fulfill this Ramadan, complete it, inshallah, may Allah make it so, make it easy for all of us. Then, when Shawwal begins, don't do the 6th of Shawwal yet. Fulfill your past debt. Pay the debt. Because what if you died? You don't want to die and go before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, someone who did so much overtime but he did not finish his actual job. Imagine at work, if you do so much overtime but your actual duty, actual obligation you did not do, what's going to happen? Fired. Right? May Allah save you and I from that. So that's the solution.